This is the new Dockcase Magsafe M.2 NVMe SSD Enclosure. The name is pretty bland, but the enclosure itself is actually kinda neat. Even with my cheap Magsafe case on my iPhone 16 Pro, it just snaps on securely. It certainly adds some depth to the overall package, but it can still easily fit in my back pocket when I want to set it down. Now currently this is launching on Kickstarter, but rest assured, Dockcase has launched quite a few different products on Kickstarter. We've reviewed some of them in the past. You can check out those up here in the corner if you want to see a little bit more about the history of Dockcase and some of their other products. Or maybe you're like me and you went for the cheapest iPhone 16 Pro possible, which only has 128 gigabytes, and perhaps you like to shoot at the highest quality video possible as well, which can eat up a lot of storage space. And in that same vein, if you want to record in ProRes, in log, in 4K at 120 FPS, you are required to have an external storage device. So for me, that's exactly where this external SSD comes in. It's ready to accept 2230 and 2242 sized M.2 SSDs, and that's much smaller than you might be used to in a PC or like a PS5 upgrade, for example, but the Dockcase supports these smaller sizes and capacities up to 2 terabytes. And there are some other external Magsave SSD enclosures on the market today already. What sets the Dockcase apart is, as you can see, this screen on the back here. It gives key information like the PLP charging status, a quick look at the health and information of the installed SSD, and even read and write information while it's in use. And the other main feature here with that PLP is that there is an internal capacitor that will hold a little bit of a charge and gives you 3 seconds of power loss protection. And this can help safeguard data in the event of an unintended power loss or accidental unplugging of the hard drive. And both of these things, the screen and the PLP, are standard features that we find on a lot of Dockcase SSD enclosures. But it does not come with an SSD included. You'll have to supply your own, and that can range in anywhere from price for $16 for a 128 gigabyte 2230 drive, or up to $150 for a 2 terabyte 2242 drive. Moving on to speed, in my testing, I was getting the advertised speeds, which was up to 955 megabytes per second read and 839 megabytes per second write. And that's pretty fast for a USB powered external hard drive. The way I've been using this the most is when I'm recording in the Blackmagic Cam app on my iPhone 16 Pro. It's easy to choose the Dockcase enclosure in the Save Clips To selector. Then I can also take the SSD over to my editing desktop and access all those files there. And this does come in a couple of different versions. In addition to the host port for connecting it to a device, there's another port here on the side which offers a little bit of power delivery. And that can be the first version, which comes in at 15 watts, and it comes in a silver case like we have here, or a matte black case. And then there is a 100 watt power delivery version as well. So if you like how this looks and it's very interesting to you, you will want to act quickly for those Kickstarter rewards. At the time of this recording, the super early bird pricing is starting at $49, and the normal early bird is coming in at $59. But if you wait until the Kickstarter is over, the MSRP is $79. At that full $79, the Dockcase is a little bit harder to recommend over some of the competition, but at $49, the features that it has on here really do set it apart. Now, Dockcase estimates delivery in January of 2025, and given their history of successful Kickstarter campaigns, I would trust that their estimates on that are fairly accurate. So if you're ready to grab one or learn more, hit the link down in the description to check it out, and let me know what you think about it in the comments as well. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up so others can find it easier, and consider subscribing. This is Jordan with 9to5Mac.